Here are 10 reasons why a 60-year-old retiree might consider engaging in YouTube vlogging, along with the benefits and advantages as a senior citizen. 1. Creative outlet. Vlogging offers a creative outlet where retirees can share their passions, hobbies, and life experiences with the world. It's a chance to express themselves in a new and exciting way. 2. Stay mentally active, engaging in the process of planning, filming, and editing. Videos can help keep the mind sharp and active, which is important for cognitive health, especially in retirement. 3. Share knowledge and expertise. Retirees have accumulated a wealth of knowledge and expertise throughout their lives. Vlogging allows them to share this wisdom with a wide audience and potentially mentor others in their areas of expertise. 4. Connect with community. YouTube provides a platform to connect with like-minded individuals from around the world who share similar interests. It can help retirees build a supportive community and meaningful relationships. 5. Monetization opportunities. While not guaranteed, successful YouTube channels can generate income through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and other monetization methods. This can provide supplemental income during retirement. 6. Document family history. Vlogging can serve as a digital diary or family album, allowing retirees to document their life stories, memories, and family traditions for future generations to enjoy and cherish. 7. Stay technologically savvy. Embracing new technologies like video editing, software, and social media platforms can help seniors stay technologically savvy and adapt to the rapidly changing digital landscape. 8. Personal growth. Vlogging requires stepping out of one's comfort zone, learning new skills, and overcoming challenges. It can foster personal growth, confidence, and a sense of accomplishment at any age. 9. Inspire others. By sharing their life experiences, challenges, and successes, retirees can inspire and motivate others who may be facing similar situations or transitions in life. 10. Leave a legacy. Vlogging allows retirees to leave a lasting legacy by sharing their unique perspectives, stories, and insights with the world. It's a way to make a meaningful impact and be remembered beyond their lifetime. Benefits during their younger years. Opportunity for career advancement or entrepreneurship. Ability to build a diverse skill set including content creation, marketing, and audience engagement. Potential to create passive income streams. Can provide financial stability and flexibility. Sense of purpose. Vlogging can give seniors a sense of purpose and fulfillment during retirement, keeping them active and engaged in meaningful activities. Social connection. Vlogging allows seniors to connect with a global audience, combating feelings of isolation and loneliness that can sometimes accompany retirement. Lifelong learning. Vlogging encourages seniors to continue learning and exploring new interests, contributing to lifelong personal growth and development. Overall, YouTube vlogging can offer numerous benefits and opportunities for retirees to stay active, engaged, and fulfilled during their later years, while leaving a meaningful legacy for future generations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.